How's it going, guys? This is Ecuboot, and in today's videos we're working on this BMW 320i F30. The car has been brought to us this morning, and the customer complaint is that he cannot open and close the window by using his key. Now, after doing some quick measurement, we found another interesting things. So this is the window control switch on the driver's side, and when we use it to control the windows, everything seems working properly. The problems only happens when we use the key and hold it to control the windows. So I will make a little demonstration here. So as you can see, the rear passenger window is not working when we use our key in both open and close operations. Now with these problems, we're gonna perform a reset or initialize the power window regulator, and the problem should be fixed.